and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video we are going to be looking at Makartts Awesome Colours gel polishes, their new launch, their new release collection. I was lucky enough to be sent these by Makartts before launch, so I've been holding on to these for about 2 weeks and I've been so excited to show you guys. So there's 3 new collections: Reloaded, Girl Boss and True Queen. I just want to say a big thank you to Makartts for allowing me this opportunity to try out their products and sort of like a reveal with their launch. I'm very pleased. So the first one is a True Queen, and there's a Power Play, Goldfinger, Get Real, Bullet, Success, and I can't remember what the other one was called. I'm actually going to look really quickly, and it's called Billionaire, I believe. It's either Billionaire or it was sorry, I'm looking at my shelf. Super Class, one or the other. So yeah, each of these the 2 sleeves, sorry, I couldn't even think then. The 2 sleeves, which is True Queen and Girl Boss, they each come with 6 gel polishes inside. And then the Get Real little box is an actual gel starter kit, and I'm going to talk about that when we get to it, guys, but wait till you see it. Oh, I loved it. So anyhow, I'm just going to swatch each individual colour here on the screen, and there are some really lush, rich colours in this. It's a very nude, like you got a couple of nudes and you get a couple of nice like bright colors and dark colors, and then like a glitter or 2 in each. The Success is a really nice milky white, but I did have like skimmed sort of skin, like on the top of milk, skimmed milk. That's what I'm thinking. There was like a weird like skim in this bottle here. I don't know why but it was fine. It was just, I think, 1 or 2 like pieces of like this lumpy gel. It looked like cured gel. That's the best way to put it. It come out and it wasn't I don't know what happened there, but it was fine after. I think it was just like maybe a little bit was in the bottle, I don't know. And my favourite out of that collection that we just swatched has got to be Bullet, the black with the glitter. Oh, that is just so beautiful. So this is the next one. Oh, this one's got Billionaire in, sorry. So this is the next one, and it's Girl Boss, and there is mostly like pinks, reds, and glitters in this with a nude. The other one was more like on the darker sort of colours. This one is, this colour's still pretty dark. This is a nice colour though, isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful red. I actually used this one in the set today. But yeah, the gel polishes, they did go on really nicely and smoothly. They are creamy, and you would only need 1 coat coverage, but you could do 2. So yeah, but yeah, I was really happy with this beautiful pink here. Just reminded me of like strawberry cream, if that makes sense, like a strawberry cream color. Oh, how beautiful is that? Isn't that just lush? Billionaire, then, it's got little sparkles. It's a very sheer sort of nude color with tiny fine little sparkles in it, and it is beautiful. I will give them that. That rippling effect then was from me swatching close to my lamp with the light on. I shouldn't have done that. Manifest, I think it's like it's like an undertone sort of light creamy brown. It is a nice colour, and I think it would be a perfect nude for certain skin tones and stuff like that, which is great. Well, you don't even have to use it for skin tones. I could, you could use it for anything. This glitter is my fave. It's the glitter. There's 2 glitter gel polishes. There's a pink one and then there's a silver one. And the pink and the silver one, they go on really nicely, and the glitters don't slide around or move. It's a really nice sort of consistency. So yeah. So now we're moving on to the Reloaded all-in-one gel collection. And oh guys, this is such a cute kit. So you get some rubbing alcohol pad things. I couldn't think of the weird then, sorry, I was hiccuping. It comes with a 10 pack, like a 10 pack, so like you can reuse it on each finger, so don't worry. A tiny little file. I think this is 100 to 180 grit, a little wire, and the smallest, cutest nail lamp I've ever seen in my life, and it does work. I tried it, and it is strong, by the way. I was like, oh, okay. And then in here you also get a top and a base coat. The base coat is called Basic Babe, and the top coat is Come I can't remember, come out on top or something. And the base coat smells exactly like fruit, like a fruit. It has a fruit smell. It's really, really pretty. I was like, oh, okay. It kind of smelled like a cuticle oil, and I thought, all right, that's nice. It's nice change. And then there's two colors in this kit, and it is the Bullet and Manifest. It's one color from each of the other two collections. Um, so yeah, it's a repeat of thing, but like it's a starter kit, and I think it's a very nice little touch. I think, you know, you don't need to go overboard with a starter kit if you just want one or two basic colors. But yeah, other than that, I love the little mini lamp. I think it's well worth it for the mini lamp, honestly. So anyway, I'm now going to show you. If you remember a while ago, I actually said in a video, it was like one of my hauls, that I ordered loads of designer nail foils off of AliExpress, and they just didn't get to me by the time I'd done that video. Well, they didn't take that long. I think it was like 10 days to a week to come to me, so it wasn't that long. So I bought these on AliExpress. They were actually only £2.35 each for the whole box, and there is a lot here. So I actually bought 8 boxes with different designs, because it's so hard in the UK for us to actually get our hands on like designer nail foils. So I am showing you the nail foils, and I'm also showing you the codes. The reason I'm showing you the codes is because for some reason now, and I completely understand it, but for some reason now, when sellers are selling designer foils, they're not actually allowed to show a picture of them, if that makes sense. I get it, because it's not their design, you know. But yeah, they're not allowed to things. So yes, there is. So I actually bought each color. So basically, I was like, I'm gonna randomly buy them. I don't know what they look like, but I'm gonna randomly buy them and see what they look like, and they all come back absolutely fab. This one here is, oh, I've been dying for these ones for so long. They're Mickey and Minnie and stuff, and then you got like different variety here with like God, I'm just missing the top of my head now, but there's Supreme, Nike, Just Do It, Adidas, what's it called, Machino, is it Machino? I can't pronounce it. Chanel. There is literally everything here, so it's a nice different variety, and I will put the links in the cards. And of course, if you want to have a specific case of the foils from AliExpress, then just look back on the video and you'll see the code, and you'll be able to click the right one, because it's just like a blank screen with the code on it. I hope that makes sense. If you buy them, you'll see what I mean. So anyway, I'm going to do a set on my practice hand today, because I did do 2 sets with this gel polish set already, and I'll put some pictures on the screen at some point, some way. And I just wasn't happy with how they turned out, but I am going to still show you guys my failed attempts with the gel polishes. It wasn't the gel polishes' fault, it was my fault. Like, I put my hands up. So yeah, I decided, right, do you know what, I'm gonna do a set on the practice hand. I'm gonna do a simple but lush set, and I actually got this inspiration from Not Polish. They are just, oh, I love her nail art. She's so bloody brilliant. So yeah, I was inspired by her LV, her Louis Vuitton, like ombre acrylic nails, and I thought I'll do it in gel polish. So that's what we're doing. So I've just done the pinky finger. I done 2 coats of that not gold, that silver glitter, and now moving on to the ring finger. I'm going to use the darker nude color. I can't remember what this is. I'll put the name on the screen. I think it's Get Real. So I'm going to just paint that halfway up the nail, and then I'm going to use Slay, which is a nice, rich, bright red color, and I'm going to put it on the tip of the nail, and then I'm actually going to create an ombre. I cannot speak for the life of me, and I do leave it in. Don't worry, you will see. Oh, there's a bit of skin there then as well. It happened to the red. I completely forgot. I don't know. I think maybe it's my fault. I might have put my gel polishes close to my lamp. I don't know. But tip, don't do that if you if you use gel polish. Stay clear of the lamp. It might be my fault. I honestly can't remember. But either way, yeah. So now I'm just going to take my ombre brush and I'm just going to swipe back and forth just in a quick motion and blend the two together, making sure to get both the sides, otherwise you're just going to have like clumps of colour. And don't forget, I cured in between each nail. You can do 2 coats, but this nail here, I usually do 2 coats with the ombre, but it actually looked fine with just the 1 coat, so I left it. And then what I decided on the middle finger was to do a marble. So I put down my base coat, and before curing I then placed some gel into the wet base coat, and it acted as a blooming gel for me, so I didn't have to use a blooming gel. I just put some different colours onto my resin palette here that you can see. So yeah, it was marble is so easy to do, guys. Definitely worth a try. And yeah, these colours are stunning. Oh, my letterbox just went. Did you hear that? And I'm back. Hello. Yes, my postman just posted me a letter. So yeah, I done the marble, like I said, on this nail, and then on the final nail I just went in with that nude colour just to tie in the ombre into the whole set so that there was more than just one finger with that one colour on. I was really happy with how this set turned out, and here you can see where I'm pushing the skin away. Can you see that? I don't know, I think it might have generally been my fault, honestly, because I'm kiffed, put it that way. But anyway, I do want to just go a side note quickly as well. Thank you everyone for all of your support the other day. I am okay. On Wednesday, for those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, by the way, you should. I was just feeling a bit down and drained, and I just needed a moment to recharge and stuff like that. And I actually had this video pre-recorded, but I wasn't allowed to release it until the release date, so yeah, I just had a voiceover to do for this one, so I thought I'd come in here and explain that I'm okay, guys, and thank you so much for your support. It really does mean the world to me. You don't understand, and I'm so grateful to have all of you, you know, by my side. It's so weird, like, to think that strangers all around the world are so caring and kind to me, and I honestly couldn't ask for better subscribers and friends. You know, you guys are absolutely amazing, and I just want to say a big thank you. But I am okay. It's just been one of them days, well, not one of them days, one of them like couple of weeks, you know, where everything just gets on top of you and you just need to step back from the situation, take a bigger look at the picture, a look at the bigger picture, I should say, and just chill out and recharge. That's all I needed to do, and I do it every now and then, you know, because mental health is important. So yeah, just remember, it's okay to not be okay, but I am fine. Thank you for everyone that messaged me. I really do appreciate it. You are super sweet and super kind, and I love you all for that. I can't, yeah, I can't thank you enough. But anyway, moving back to the nails, because, you know, so like I said, Get Real. Oh, it was Get Real. So, see, I thought so. I love this color. This color is absolutely beautiful, in my opinion. So anyway, we do a full nail of this, and then I go in with Makartts. Oh gosh, what's it called? I'm losing my mind. I can't think of words today. Gel foil. Foil gel? Foil gel. Gel foil. Can you tell I've skipped one day of recording? I'm losing my marbles. I can't think. So yeah, I use some of Makartts foil glue, and I just put an even layer onto the ring finger and the index finger, and I cure for 60 seconds. Also make sure to cure these gel polishes for 60 seconds. I've done each finger at a time, of course, and here are the foils I'm going to use. I'm going to use the white and the red. They are absolutely lush. I love them. I actually done a white and red nail art, and a pink one on TikTok. What I'm going to start doing, my idea now, guys, is I'm going to keep the channel like mainly gel and polygel, but like small little gel polish designs I think I will post on Instagram and TikTok, just so that we got a variety, and I can just do like little nail designs and share them with you, rather than having to like gather and collect all my gel polish designs in one go and make a video out of them. I'd rather just like share like little snippets now and then on social media so that it's like in between uploads as well. It's not going to be like constantly every day all the time, but it'll just be like now and then when I'm just like, oh, do you know what? I like this nail design and I'll share it. So yeah, let me know what you think of that. I hope that you guys agree. But anyway, like I said, we cured the nail foil glue onto the nail, and now I am using the foil upside down to try and transfer the design. Of course it didn't work. I then realized that it was upside down. I flipped it over and it worked just fine. So yeah, if you were ever wondering what happens if you try to apply the foil on upside down, nothing happens and you can just flip it and move on. So yeah, I done the white on top of the red and I done like an ombre, as you can see, so it's just on the tip. And then I done a full nail of the red on the nude nail, which is the index finger. You know what I mean. And once I was done with that, then I did top coat with the top coat that come in the gel starter kit, and cured again, and that was the end result, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that it's just me talking and yeah. But you can get 15% off with my discount code on Makartts website for this collection or any other collection. I know they did release another collection a couple of days ago, the butterfly one. Sadly, the full set is sold out for the UK already. It was gone within 24 hours. I was like, okay. So once it does come back into stock, I will be ordering it and giving it a go, hopefully. That marble looks a bit like a candy cane, doesn't it? It's fine. Like, you can wear candy cane nails any time of the year. Who cares what other people think? But yeah, going back to the Makartts site, you can use 15% off Swales nails, and you get obviously a little money off of your order. You can also use my affiliate link, which is down below in the description box. You do not have to, but if you do use it, I get a little commission back, and it helps me with the channel. But other than that, guys, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for all of the support that I've had lately. You guys are absolutely amazing. I just couldn't think of not doing this sort of thing now, do you know what I mean? But anyway, I hope you're all staying safe. Don't forget to keep on smiling. I think I probably already said it, but I'll say it again. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.